Right, so remember, we're out here at 8 o'clock this morning, a little bit before, so we're going to get right into roll out 3 contestants, and Epical is up first.
Loving this world, loving this world, that is greater than mama love. Dino Dean, Jigo, big up. Don't you ever take mama for clown, cause for 9 months she carry you around, and she never ever throw you out, cause for she you a go wear the crown, yeah. So if you dey a yard or abroad, please remember say mama dey a yard. Don't try if you play thin skins and a look rice and a tin mackerel, cause mama love, ooh, is the greatest gift of all. Yes, mama love, ooh, is the struggle and pain when the stress wanna see you fall. Yes, mama love, is the greatest gift of all. Yes, mama love, ooh, is the struggle and pain when the stress wanna see you fall. Every night when she go on her knee.
Epical.
4.5.
4.5 for Epical. Next up is Vibes Chiney from the track. Yeah, yeah.
Hey Jamaica, farm when I come from, and me still a fight on. Let me tell about my past. Remember the one suit and khaki, no pair of shoe, and that a when me young figure school. In a scandal bag, me have to bring my book. Believe me, it never feel good. Why am me poverty choose? Why am me him want to lose? But Jaja nah make me lose, so me keep say one day me I go win. Remember the one board house I fi sleep on the floor. Lord, me really did poor. Mommy got car, he can't take it no more. Lord, me really did poor. It's a good thing, mama did that core. Lord, me really did poor. No people judge me and feel my born rich, but Lord, me really did poor. Remember when one piece of bread back enough to me, and it have to share between the 4 away. Did have to give thanks for the 4 by me. Hey.
Like the lyrics, but issues with the key, so I'm going to go 3.
3.
Yes.
Final contestant, Harmonique.
Press on replay, man, I feel look when them see me. Yeah, I'm working hard, yeah. Oh, yeah. We are the baddest, the maddest. No one attack our matches. Every time you see, we know we charge up like a batteries. Wherever step up, win the like, we win the lotteries. People are shut up, but tell them we don't wanna glory. Shut up, I got things, so we try to tell them low it. Them criticize, they don't even know the story. Discriminators, so we know, say them a phony. Every time you see me, you watching a 3D movie. Hardcore, so we stepping hard up. Tone down, tone yard or abroad. We are say to ourselves, some of them are fraud. Sky is the limit, so we working hard. Hardcore, so we stepping hard up. Tone down, tone yard or abroad. We are say to ourselves, some of them are fraud. The fry is the limit, so we working hard. I know everybody come under me umbrella. Crosser than gorilla, so we moving a cappella. We no careless, but we scale or a fella. When we stepping in the street, you know, so we a shella. We come for spell ya the word.
Right.
Wow,
Harmonique,
great
nice
voice, but I couldn't hear half of what you were saying. So this is harder. Jody, help me. Help, Jody, help. I'm going to give her a 4.
All right. So
yeah. But yeah, I think her voice is fantastic.
Yeah. Epical is the winner this morning, and he will take us out. We're kind of finished now, don't we?
Do you have time to take us out?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.